Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Saujanya Pre-Primary Classes. Today I am going to tell you small letters from A to E. By using these letters only, we will do some worksheets also. Okay? Shall we start writing? See, A. Write A. B. C. D. E. Again we'll write A. B. C. D. E. A. B. C. D. E. While writing these alphabets, they'll recognize easily how to write and they can learn. See, now we'll write capital A, small a and these all also. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Again we'll write capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. If you are giving like this for them, it will be more practice to the kids to write. And they can easily learn. And they can, while writing also, tell the kids to read and write. It will be easy for them to recognize the letters and remember. Okay. Now, circle the letter same as given in the boxes. See, here in boxes, I have given some letters. So, see in this box. See, here I have given B. See in this box, where is B, and circle those letters. Shall we start circling? Okay. See, where is B in this line? B. See here? B. Yeah, B. Now, what is this letter? E. Now, see in this box, where is E? And circle them. E. 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 Now what is this letter? A. Now see, where is A in this box? Yes, A. 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 Now what is this letter? D. See in this box, where is D? Yes, D. 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 Okay children, now we'll do another. Now see here, match these small letters to the small letters only. See, here I have given matching. Here I have given some small letters to the small letters. Same small letters you have to match. Shall we start? Okay. Now what is this letter? A. Now where is A here? Yes. Now we'll match A. B. Match to B. C. C. D. Yes. D. E. E. Now see here. Write the first letter of the given picture. See here, I have drawn some pictures here. To these pictures, we have to write that first letter of that picture. Okay? What is the first picture here? Car. Car starts with the letter C. C say K. You have to write small letters. C. K. Now what is this letter? What is this picture? Ball. B for ball. B. B says B. What is this picture? Apple. A for apple. A says A. Now what is this? Engine. Engine starts with the letter E. A. E. Engine. Next, see here, I have given follow the letter B to help the bat to reach the ball. See here, B letters are there. I have drawn here bat and here ball. The bat has to go to the ball. So, you have to draw by help with the help of the letter B. We can go to ball. The bat can go to ball. Now we'll try. Okay, see here. See here, B is there. Draw on the B only. See, B, B, B. Come down. Again back. See here, B, B. And where is B? Yeah, here B, here B. Back again, like this. Again here, yeah, come down. B, B. Yeah, see the bat came to ball. Like this. Okay, bye.